Justice Department. Trump tries to record hotel records. Washington. Lawyers of the Justice Department on Friday asked the federal judge to file a legal appeal to them, which so far can prevent President Donald Trump's critics from reaching financial records related to his Washington, D.C., hotel. Trump is fighting with many lawsuits, which argue that the expenditure on the foreign representatives' money in the Trump International Hotel is a violation of the American Constitution, which prevents federal officials from accepting benefits from foreign or state governments without the approval of the Congress. American District Judge Peter Mary in Maryland, Messiest ruled last month that one of those lawsuits could move forward in a sally to stop the case running on legal search, which will potentially detect financial records such as income tax returns of Trump. The lawyers of the Justice Department asked the masseurs to capture the case on Friday, while they were high in Richmond, Virginia appeals to court verdict. The plaintiff, the state of Maryland and the District of Columbia, have said that they are planning to go ahead with the search, for example, seeking information from the hotel, along with Trump Hotel Steakhouse and General Services Administration, as well as the president's financial records. In the court documents, the Department of Justice opposed any presidential inquiry into his official capacity due to separating the concerns of the powers to avoid constitutional confrontation between the two branches of the government. Justice lawyers argued that public interest is certainly in favor of staying because any discovery will be a distraction for the president to demonstrate his constitutional duties. D.C. Attorney General Karl Racine replied, "After winning two major decisions already in this matter, we had hoped for the recent pace of presidential Trump. Nevertheless, our case is still moving forward on the track to offer the schedule for search, and we hope to request relevant documents soon afterwards." The approval section in the U.S. court has not been fully tested. Two other lawsuits are being heard in other federal courts accusing the president of violating the approval clause. Neither has reached the search platform. Last month, a grant from the decision of Mestel extends to any benefit, profit for the first time a federal judge defined the president's tenure as president. This is the definition, and the argument is that the accused have suffered actual losses and have the right to file a lawsuit that the Justice Department wants to review by the High Court. The plaintiff has argued that Trump, who has refused to divide his property as president, is capitalizing on the presidential position and is harming businesses trying to compete with his Washington hotel, which is just a few steps from the White House. The Department of Justice has said that earnings from business activities, including hotel rooms, are not eligible for approval. Its lawyers have argued that, under the interpretation of Maryland and D.C., no federal officer will be able to become a stock owner from a foreign company who provides benefits or royalties. The matter raises important questions, and the limits of what the president can do while remaining in office should give clarity on the boundaries. Ted Botras, a partner of Din & Crooker LLP Gibson, said that all matters are being monitored, but not included. They said, "The search will be interesting too," they said.